Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Luna. Today, I want to share with you my Mexican dining room makeover experience. I always love making my room fun and comfortable, and I enjoy changing my home decor on occasions like Halloween and Christmas. But my usual theme used to be always beach/Hawaiian. I loved my little Hawaiian home, but we moved to a new place last year. I brought all of my beachy and Hawaiian stuff to the new house. However, they were not so suitable for my new home because look at this. We have a fireplace in this house. It's nice and warm in winter, but the fireplace and the brick wall behind it are not so much Hawaiian. So this time, I decided to make my new home Mexican style. I know the fireplace may not be so Mexican, but it will still fit in Mexican rather than Hawaiian. Anyway, I started from painting the wall orangish yellow. I love painting. Painting doesn't cost so much, but certainly the most effective way to upgrade the room. To be honest, I was a bit nervous to use this bright color, but this yellow definitely changed the room a happy place. Next, I decided to recycle my tiki bar. I loved my Hawaiian tiki bar, but unfortunately, it didn't look good at my new place. So I tried to transform my tiki bar into a Mexican bar. I removed the bamboo shade at the stand and replaced with pieces of wood with shabby paint. I painted like this first, but it looked a bit too dirty. So I changed the color. It was better than the first one, but for me it looked like shabby beach style and I didn't like it. Finally, I settled with this color. This looks more Mexican to me. I placed the Mexican flag on top and put the alcohol bottles back on the bar. I am so pleased with the new look. My next project was painting the photo frames. I wanted my family photos to fit in the Mexican theme. First, I sanded the frames lightly and painted with acrylic paint. I recommend to coat with white paint if the frame is a dark color. Then just paint with lots of different colors and patterns, following your imaginations. My job wasn't great, but they look handmade, which I wanted to achieve, so all good. Also, I wanted to have a nice signature piece on the dining table, and I found this. This is just a terracotta plant pot, but I liked the shape and size. It was only $5. So I painted with acrylic paint and made it look like a Mexican bowl. I placed a small towel first, and I placed cute cactus ornaments from IKEA. Actually, they are presents from my lovely friend. Then I put shell necklaces around the ornaments to secure them in place. I think it looks pretty good. For my dining table, I had a perfect tablecloth. It was from my mom. She bought from Ecuador, but it looks very lovely and fits in my interior. In the kitchen, I decorated my tiles with these beautiful tile stickers. They are so easy to work with, but the effect was superb. I loved them so much. At this corner of my dining room, I used to have nothing, but I thought a cozy couch would make it more welcoming. We had an old leather couch which we are going to throw away, but this would be perfect if I cover with new colorful throws. So I decided to keep it and covered it with new throws. And added some cushions. Not bad, huh? I decided to put aside a table so that my guests can enjoy their coffee here. This corner looks so comfortable now. Even my cat loves sitting here. He's Moggy. Okay, let's spice up the decoration. Of course, we need chili. And definitely Tabasco. These coasters are souvenirs from Turkey, but anyway, they look good here. These potteries are from Op Shop, only $3. And this lovely bottle is a souvenir from Mexico. Adding some nice coffee aroma is the final touch. Okay, it's time to light a candle and I show you my new dining room. It's not a perfect room, but overall, I'm pretty satisfied with how it turned out. If you have more ideas, please let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe my channel. I'll be very happy. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!